Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to achieve all your chats on Qwen in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to clear up your inbox or store a conversation for later, this guide has you covered. First, open up your Qwen app on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now head over to the chat section. Look for the setting or option menu usually found in the top right corner of your chat window. Here, on the setting, tap onto the chats and here you will be able to see Achieve All Chat option. Tap on it and you will see Are You Sure option. Click on it and there you have it. Achieving all the chats on Qwen is that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below and I would be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.